My name is Melissa and I'm 24 years old. I grew up a pastor's kid in New York and I was really excited about finding a place where I could get a degree while working towards being on the field. I came to Bethany with the purpose of getting a minor in teaching English as a foreign language. So I had taken quite a few TEAFL classes before my internship, and then specifically on internship I was taking a course called Curriculum Development, and I was able to incorporate things that I was learning in my class right there in the moment, and I think it definitely made me a better teacher. I worked at a ministry center called TEAFL, which the translation is Garden of Hope, and it's a community center in the red light district of Chiang Mai, Thailand. I would teach English every day, we would do Bible studies, we had a youth group Friday night, so that was a big part of what I did. I worked with the teenagers specifically, which is a hard age group in any culture, but then you add the layer of Thai culture. I was very nervous going in about how am I actually going to let these girls want to get to know me or want to let me be a part of their life. You know, just seeing them in the classroom wasn't gonna do it. So going to the market for dinner with them, meeting them shopping at the market, things like that played a huge role. But as soon as that unlocked, it was a drastic difference, and they FaceTime me and they text me and they still tell me what's going on in their life, which is really exciting and I think a huge testament to that relationship. One of the most impactful things that I've gained during my time at Bethany is the hands-on experience that has led me to understanding the importance of education on the field. I now understand, especially through being able to teach English on my internship, the way that teaching English as a foreign language, it gives you a door to the community, it gives you a place in their lives, and it has a huge impact. And so now the tools of teaching English and using that as a ministry is a huge factor in my life moving forward from Bethany, and I understand the place that it has. My internship gave me a much better idea of the role I want to play on the field and in the world.